Hello friends, welcome to lecture 7 of Android app development for beginners. In this video, we will learn about the 4 most important components of an Android app. These components are activity, services, broadcast receivers, and content providers. An app must contain one of these components. The app may also include all these 4 components, but at least one of these components is necessary. Let's see what is an activity. The screen of an app in Android is called an activity. You can see I am opening this messages app. Here, this is one activity. You can see all the messages here, all the numbers. This is an activity. Now if I click here, then you can see for a small amount of time a blink occurred. And now we can see the messages. This is a new activity. Likewise, we may have more than one activity in an app. The activity which is launched for the first time when you click the app icon is called the launcher activity. An activity is created from 2 files. One is XML and another is Java file. The user interface that is the look of the app is created using XML. The full form of XML is Extensible Markup Language. This is very similar to HTML. These are markup languages. These languages cannot take any decision, like what happens if we click the button, or what happens if the condition is false or true, like this. XML is used only for the design of the app. It is very easy to learn. During our course of development, we will try to learn it. It is very easy. You don't need to worry about this. The main part of an activity is the Java file. Here we have to write our code, like what happens if we click the button, or what happens if the if condition is true, and like this. In the next video, we will learn about other 3 components of Android app: the services, broadcast receivers, and content providers. Thank you.